There are gajillions of stories of mischief and fun. But to keep things simple, let's start with just one. About a mom and two kids, and a house and a hat that oddly enough was worn by a cat. Soon enough, we will get to all that. In the valley that stretches from this hill to that hill, a city is nestled. That city is Anvil. It's a town that's not huge, but quite big enough for buyers and sellers to sell and buy stuff. From shoes and shirts and elongated ladders to sailboats and gilt-rated berry juice bladders. So our story begins at the corner of Main and Moon, in the spotless real estate office run by Hank Hooverfoo.
Real estate, how can you make a good cafeteria?
What do you mean you're leaving? You're a babysitter. Babysitters don't leave, they sit. Baby leavers leave.
I'm sorry, I really gotta go, Miss Wilden.
Well, I need to come home right away.
Alright, I forgot.
Thank you, Mamie.
Sorry.
Attention everyone, it's 9:02, staff meeting, look alive everyone. Today I would like to welcome our newest member of the Humberflew family, Jim McFlanagan.
Mr. Humberflew, I wanted to thank you.
Fired.
Pardon me?
Fired.
But I...
Fired! Tonight is our bi-monthly meet and greet party. Our host is Joan Walden. This will be where our clients will be able to meet our real estate agents. And in a high journey, I could say.
Mr. Humberflew, I have to get home with my kids.
Yes, Joan, your children. I'm going to make this perfectly clear. If your home is as messy as it was last time, you're fired!
That's pretty clear, Mr. Humberflew. I assure you, my kids will be on their best behavior.
Great.
Humberflew Real Estate, how can you make a good cafeteria?
If you leave Hooverfoo's and turn left down to Main, 3 miles down, you'll find Little Lane. A pleasant enough street in a pleasant enough way, where a neighbor greeted neighbor with a neighborly hey. Here the hedges were hedged, and the weeds were all weeded, and lawns were mowed daily, twice daily if needed. At the end of the street, in a house like any other, something magical would happen to a sister and her brother.
I asked you to do one thing today, Conrad. Keep the house clean. Do you know how frustrating it is that you're always doing the exact opposite of what I say?
Did someone lose a dog? I found him next door, in my yard, again.
You are a saint.
And here I thought you only dated me for my good looks.
Lucky us. Larry Quinn is here.
It's Lawrence, okay?
Yes, you never think, Lawrence.
Anything for my little princess.
I don't want to be a princess, and a constitutional monarchy government has all the real power.
Okay, look, pal, be a sport. Why don't you go tidy up the living room? Okay, dude?
I don't have to listen to you, Larry. Conrad, do what Lawrence says.
Have you given some thought to the military academy?
You mean the Colonel Wilhelm Academy for Troubled Youth?
That's the one, Joan.
I'm not sure if it's right for Conrad.
Oh, Joan. I have so much respect for you, Joan. A career woman, raising 2 children, and still finding time to be the best darn real estate agent around. I know how hard it is, Joan.
It is hard.
And that's why we must act now. The Colonel Wilhelm Military Academy is a once-in-a-lifetime proposition. So we call the sales team a win-win scenario. A top-flight military school and it's only 8 hours away.
Oh, the phone.
I heard what you said. I'm not going to military school, Larry.
Hey, look, pal, I know it might be weird for you and all. Your neighbor dating your mom. But here's the thing. I'm gonna marry your mom, and if it was up to me, you'd be at military school today.
I'm not going to military school.
Oh, I think you're gonna love it. It's just like summer camp, except it's brutal force marches and soul-crushing discipline. And one more thing. It's Lawrence, you son of a wonderful woman who I'm absolutely crazy about.
How?
I love children. Oh, Joan, didn't see you there.
Florence, would you be a doll and help me bring up chairs from the basement?
Nothing will bring me more pleasure, but I really do have to go. I have a very important sales conference uptown.
Okay, we'll see you at the party tonight.
sure?
Mom, that guy's sort of funny. You can let Larry...
It's Lawrence, Conrad.
Mom, you've got to listen to me.
Quiet!
Mom.
Quiet, children, I said quiet! Joan Water Real Estate, be ever so humble. There's no place like Joan.
This is Mr. Humberflew.
Oh, hi, Mr. Humberflew.
Joan, I need to come back to the office.
Today?
Yes, Joan. No problem?
No problem at all.
Great.
What's going on, Mommy?
Mommy has to go back to the office. Oh, I hope Mrs. Kwan can babysit.
Not Mrs. Kwan.
Oh, hi, Mrs. Kwan.
Hi.
I have to go back to the office. Thank you for babysitting on such short notice. Yeah, I'll be back in a couple of hours. Conrad's grounded, so no video games. Last chance. If you want to make cupcakes, they can take you to your friend Jenny's house.
Jenny's not my friend anymore. Last time we made cupcakes, she wanted to be the head chef. I'm the head chef.
What about Denise then?
She talked back to me, so I ordered her not to speak to me again.
You don't like Bossy?
I won't tolerate it.
Alright, well, if you're both staying, remember the rules. Conrad, no playing ball in the house, no fighting, no answering the phone, sitting morgue.
Mommy, can I have some rules?
No chewing tobacco.
Alright, Mom, you have my word.
And one last thing, absolutely no one sets foot in the living room or else.
Or else what? Are you gonna do what Larry said and send me to military school?
Conrad, if you just listened, maybe I wouldn't have to consider military school. I wish I could trust you.
I wish I had a different mom.
Well, sometimes I wish the same thing.
Children, would you like to watch television? You don't have to tell your mother. Taiwanese Parliament. You tell him, Queen Jane, no more big government. Rip his heart out. Hit me.
So they slumped in their chairs, too glum to complain. And to make matters worse, it started to rain. They sat in the house on that cold, wet day with no fun to have and no games to play. They could just stare out the window or perhaps get a nap in and hope that something, anything, might happen.
Quit bothering the fish. I know, quit bothering the fish. Spit hand. Oh, gross. Get that away from me. Get it away.
Then something went bump. How that bump made them jump.
What was that? I think it came from the closet. Conrad? Conrad? Come on, Conrad. Ah! You shouldn't scare people. You should have seen the look on your face. It was like you saw a monster.
A monster? Where?
Ah!
That's what's on, brother.
What was that? That looked like a humongous cat.
Humongous? I prefer the term big bone or jolly. Now what are we hiding from?
Ah! There we go. That was a giant cat. But that's impossible, isn't it?
It's entirely impossible, you know. And there you go.
Who are you?
Who? Me? Why, I'm the cat in the hat. There's no doubt about that. I'm a super fun, different feline who's here to make sure that your turpentine? I got nothing. I'm not so good with the rhyming. Not really. No. Look, I'm a cat that can talk. That should be enough for you people. I can talk. I'm a cat. Yes.
Where did you come from?
How do I put this? When a mommy cat and a daddy cat love each other very much, they decide that...
No. Where did you come from?
My place, what do you think?
No, how did you get here?
I drove. Look, I I've been here 2 whole minutes, and no one has offered me a drink. How rude.
Sorry, Mr. Cat, would you like some milk?
Milk? Ugh, no. Lactose intolerant comes up the works. Or you'll thank me later. Surf's up! Hello. Oh yeah. Humna. Who's this?
That's my mom.
Awkward. Yeah. This place will do quite nicely, actually. Although, those drapes are a train wreck. And this is the lumpiest couch I ever sat on. Who's this dreadfully uncomfortable woman?
Get off her! That's our babysitter!
What the? Babysitter? You don't need one of these, do you? Let me get this straight. You pay this woman to sit on babies? That's disgusting. I do it for nothing. Now let's see what the old phenometer has to say.
Manometer?
Yeah, it measures how fine you are. You first. Hi. Whoa. Oh. Control freak. Now you. Whoa. Oh. Tap it. Listen, kid. You can tap it with your hammer. It ain't gonna change. Just as I suspected, you guys are both out of whack. You're a control freak, and you're a rule breaker. That'll be $700. Who's your insurance carrier?
So, what do we do?
Well, there are 2 treatments I'd recommend. One is a series of painful shots injected into your abdomen and kneecap, and the other involves a musical number. Meow.
How many shots?
How many shots? Aren't you precious? Maestro! I know it is wet and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of good fun and that is funny. It's fun to have fun, but you got to know how. Hairball. I know lots of good tricks and all.
Stop this right now!
Huh?
Who said that? Me! Remember? The fish came home in a baggie, loved me for 2 weeks, and then nothing. The fish is talking.
Well, sure he can talk, but is he really saying anything? Not really. No.
Hey, Socks! Hear it! This cat should not be here. He should not be about. He should not be here when your mother's out.
Come on, kids, you gonna listen to him? He drinks where he pees.
Children, this cat is currently in violation of 17 of your mother's rules.
City morgue.
Ethan!
Wait. The fish is right. I really should go.
No, you have to stay.
Alright, I'll stay.
Yeah.
But if I'm gonna stay, there's something I want to show you. Something magical. And full of wonder. It's called a contract.
So you want us to sign it?
Just a formality, really. Yeah.
All of the fun we want?
Yeah.
Nothing bad will happen?
No.
Come on, Sal. Come on, say your life. Try something spontaneous. It goes against my better instincts, but fine.
Beautiful. Initial here. And here. And here. Not here. Turn it over. Scratch this. Smell that. Okay, give me 5. 3. Great. Ooh, look at this room. Whoa. What do you want to do for fun?
Mom says we're not allowed to go in that anywhere else. She's heard of a method to couch us by children on or something.
And she's right.
What about it? You signed the contract. Wahoo!
Yeah. One cushion left, Sally.
She'll never do it. She doesn't know how to have fun. Fun, Sally? You're better than fun. Fun is beneath you. remember what your mother told you? No one sets foot in the living room? You know what, let's just watch some flashbacks.
Absolutely no one sets foot in the living room or else.
Fire, 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 fire.
Yeah, yippee! Oh yeah! This is amazing!
Like being in the circus.
Yeah, but without all those tortured animals or clowns that have hepatitis. See kids, I told you we could have fun. And the best thing is, no one will ever know!
Judas Priest, I can't believe what I'm seeing.
Oh, Mr. Fit, I was telling someone to get off the couch. Bad, Conrad, bad.
Sally, baby, angel princess, let me let you in on a little secret. Nobody likes to suck up.
Where's the cat?
Hey, what are you two looking at? Is there a cat here? You're gonna get out of here.
See kids, I told you, stick with me, it'll all work out. So kiddos, what do you want to do for fun?
I want to make cupcakes.
Cupcakes? Oh yeah, to the kitchen.
Live from the kitchen, the following is a paid commercial announcement for Astounding Products.
Hi, welcome to Astounding Products. I'm your host, the guy in the sweater, who has all the obvious questions, here to tell us about his amazing cupcake making machine, all the way from Cheshire, England.
Me, hello. Now, hello, I'm so excited. Do you love making cupcakes but hate all the hard cupcake work?
I know I do.
Well, forget everything you know about making cupcakes and say hello to the amazing Cupcakeinator. I'm so excited.
Cupcake or what?
Cupcakeinator. Oh, this amazing device can instantly make cupcakes out of anything you have in the kitchen.
Did you just say anything?
Anything.
Anything?
Yes, anything.
Anything?
Anything.
Anything?
I'll get you. And it'll look like a bloody accident. Anything. Now take off the lid. You can put in, I don't know, hot eggs.
What?
How about a pack of hot dogs?
That's incredible.
Why not some ketchup?
Yes, why not?
I know what you're thinking. Even a fire extinguisher.
That's incredible.
Now, close the lid and Bob's your flippin' uncle.
What an astounding product.
Now, open the drawer, fill the patented Cupcakeinator tray, close the drawer, then place it in a conventional oven. Amazing cupcakes are just minutes away.
Wait a minute, did you say minutes away?
Minutes away. You're not just wrong, you're stupid.
Hey, wait just a minute.
And you're ugly, just like your mother.
Did you just call my mother ugly?
Shut up, I mean I will end you!
Cat, your tail.
What about it? Oh, I see. That's interesting because... Ouch!
You're supposed to be making that sound.
Of course, that means they're almost done. Conrad. That's what I said, Conrad. Cat. No, that's my name. Yep, they're done. about. I'm sure they still taste fine. Yuck. They're awful. Who wants some?
Oh my God.
Cat, you need to clean this mess up pronto. We have a contract. All right, I'll try. You don't try, you do.
Yes, ma'am. Right away, ma'am. How are you?
Look, I'm a girl. Stop! That's Mom's dress. This filthy thing? She was gonna wear that to the party tonight and you ruined it. Honey, it was ruined when she bought it.
I told you all this would happen, but no one listens to a fish. A dog goes woof woof, and everybody knows that little Timmy's trapped under a log. But a fish speaks plain English.
All right, everyone, let's just take a deep breath and calm down. You know who's gonna solve it? Me. I am. I will personally take care of everything, and I know just the guys to do it. In this box are two things. I will show them to you. Two things, and I call them thing one and thing two. These things will not bite you. They just want to have fun. So without further ado, meet thing two and thing one. Ta-da! Thing two, thing one, Conrad, Sally, thing two, thing one. Thing two, thing one, thing two. Conrad, Sally, Conrad, I am the cat, do not belittle me. Ah, yes, of course. Thing two would just like to clarify that just because he wears the number 2 does not imply that in any way he's inferior to thing one. He says you may feel free to call him thing A if you would like. He will also accept super thing king, kid dynamite, and chocolate thunder or bet.
Bang!
Thing one says he's thing one for a reason, and some people should just get used to it. It's a thinking. You wouldn't understand. Alright, you two are easily becoming my least favorite things. Listen, convex, you probably don't want to do that. Why not? It's just a crate. This isn't just any normal crate. It's the trans-dimensional transportolator. It's kind of like a doorway which leads from this world to my world.
But it says made in the Philippines.
Yes, but not this Philippines. Look, I'm not usually a rules guy, but this is a biggie. No opening the crate. No bookie, no touchy. Got it?
You can think of bishops that are differences.
Things front and center. I'm not paying you to stand around and look pretty. Here's Mom's dress.
No, Mommy's dad.
Don't worry. Incoming.
Captain Lindsay, over at the full house. Come on, help.
Help yourself. If this were my house, I'd be furious. Hey, Klondike, do you have any idea what happened to the log on this crate?
I don't know.
Well, this is just great, Conrad. The whole house is destroyed, the party is ruined, and the lock is gone.
No. Sally, Kojo, it's nothing compared to what's going to happen if we don't put the lock back on this crate. Take a look, it's already leaking.
It won't stay shut.
Not without the lock. If we don't get that lock off Nevin and put it back on this crate, we're going to be staring down the business end of the mother of all messes.
We gotta find that lock.
Impossible, Sally. There's only 4 hours until the party.
This is right. You should stay and call Mom. Oh, what happened? We're gonna go find the lock.
We're staying and calling Mom.
We're going to find that lock.
There is a third option.
There is?
Yes. It involves murder.
That's your option?
No. You guys both had options. I just wanted to have one too. Or did I?
Cat is not helping.
Come on, let's find that lock. Now we just need a heavy object to weigh down this crate. There, that ought to do it. Come on, kids, let's go, go, go!
Without the lock, the children were doomed.
John Walden Real Estate, if you ever so humble, there's no.
Oh, hi, John. The kids are running around outside again.
You're kidding.
Don't worry, I'll get them. Then we'll have a conversation vis-a-vis military school.
I don't know. Conrad's like you, Lawrence. He's very sensitive.
Uh-huh.
But I suppose it's something I should consider.
I'll get the kids and be right over.
We gotta find that lock.
Oh, what will become of us? Your mother will lose her job and we'll have to live out on the street? I can't! Don't make me go! It's too dry. It's like... I can't. It's too...
Fish!
It's too much! Would you like to go back in the toilet? On second thought, it's such a beautiful day. Why spend it indoors? Thank you. Okay, kids, get out of my way. Okay, kids, watch me fly. Ow.
Come on, Cat. There it is. I'd like to buy some. Hello, Mrs. Klein. It's Joan Walden. I just wanted to check on the kids. Are they okay? Those aren't kids. They're little angels. That's sweet. Well, all right, Mrs. Klein. I'll be home as soon as I can. Bye-bye. Bye.
All right, soldiers, our bogey's in range. Commence search and destroy.
What?
Search and rescue. I meant search and rescue. Come on.
Can you please get the lock?
Can we please get the lock? Can we please get the lock? Boo.
Hello, kids. Goodbye, comrade.
What are you? Oh no. Oh no. gotta get Nevins in that lockpack. What are we gonna do?
Don't worry, I have 3 plans. Plan A. Destroy a perfectly clean house. Done that. Plan B. Cut your losses and ditch the kids. That could work.
What about that one?
Plan C. Find that lock.
Cat, come on, we found the lock. Here he comes, Cat.
Where's my hat? Come on, let's go, go, go. My tailman's down.
Come on, Cat.
I'm walking here. What's wrong? This isn't my hat. I must have picked up the wrong one back there. So without my hat, I'm just your garden variety 6-foot tall talking cat.
Joan, your children are running around town like complete maniacs. Yes, they are, with some weird hairy man in a big hat.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna believe everything I'm telling you once we get to your house, okay? Come on.
We're doomed.
Murder, this is all my fault. I'm such an idiot. I always have to do the opposite of what I'm supposed to. What is it? That's it. The opposite. Hey, things, do not help us. Do not show up and help us get home right now.
We're going to Sally and Conrad's house.
How did you get so smart?
So the race was on to get back home first.
Hang on, we gotta meet Mom and Gwen home.
But back at their home, things were just getting worse.
There's Mom and Larry.
Come on, Joan. Walk, walk, walk. You better keep going.
Mamma Mia, what happened to our house? It's the mother of all messes.
Yep, pure unadulterated fun without any good sense or judgment. See, corn dog? This is why I warned you not to open the crate. Although, on the plus side, I think people will be talking about tonight's party for the rest of their lives.
We gotta shut the crate, come on.
This is what happens when you mix your world and my world. Oh, and when you eat bad shellfish. Let's go. Oh yeah.
Cat, how are you supposed to find the crate?
Beats me, this hat's worthless, and it makes me look fat.
Where's Mrs. Kwan? They're living there, I think. There's the crate.
Oh,
If you shut the crate, the house will go back to normal. You have the lock? Got it. Come on, let's go. Sally, come on.
it won't shut.
Out! Sally!
I did it. Okay, we did it.
I don't think you did anything. The place is still a wreck. Cat, if you said we shut the crate, everything would be okay. But it's not. It's a complete disaster.
Well, what are you gonna do? Squish ball anyone? I love that new squish ball feeling.
Hey, your hat. It's magic again?
Oops. Well, now that the cat's out of the bag, to use an archaic cruel-sounding metaphor, why don't you squish first?
You had the real hat this whole time?
Yep, I planned the whole day.
All of it?
Yep.
The house getting trashed?
Yep.
They already followed this?
Yep.
You even knew that I would open the crate?
Why do you think I made it my one rule? I knew you couldn't resist. Now who's up for a game of Canadian doubles?
Cat, you said nothing of bad would happen.
Cat, you need to get out.
I don't know that game.
It's not a game. None of this is a game.
But I thought you two wanted to have fun today.
Look around. Cat, you're right. It's fun to have fun, but you gotta know how. You don't know when enough is enough. Now go.
Susie, Cromwell, please.
Out! Good riddance. Now this may not be the time for I told you so, but like I said, not the time.
I'll get them off in the bucket. Conrad, you might want to go out of the house until Mom has a chance to calm down.
No, this was my fault. I'll take the blame. Look, Mom will be home any second. Why don't you go upstairs?
I'm not going upstairs. I'm staying with you.
Really? Why?
2 reasons. 1, the stairs are destroyed. 2, this is just as much as my fault as yours. We should share the blame.
Thanks, Ellie.
By the way, you're a pretty good brother.
Glad you think that. Maybe we can learn together at military school. Well, here it goes.
Now that you've learned your lesson, allow me to blow your mind by reading you the small print of the contract that you signed. Alright. Section 8, paragraph, Article 93, subparagraph 834. Right by the chili stain. It reads, if Conrad, aka Concrete, should open the crate, and we know he will, the contract shall be null and void. However, if Sally and Conrad should learn from their mistakes, the contract shall be reinstated. I think you two have satisfied the legal burden of learning.
Yeah!
So, there's just one last game to play. It's called Clean Up the House. Okay, we had some good times, we cleaned up the house, we even managed to work in an up-tempo pop tune for the soundtrack. That's important. I guess there's just one last thing to check. Looks like everything's in balance. But you're still smoking way too many cigars. And you, lay off the sauce.
Cat, this day's been amazing. Thank you, Cat.
Forever to you. Conrad, Sally, the Duke.
Cat!
Cat! Huh? Wait, don't go!
Uh-oh.
Alright,
kids, this place better not be a mess. I'm home.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Miss Walden, home so soon. You children were angels.
Thanks, Mrs. Kwan.
Hello, Joe.
Florence, what happened to you?
Your demonic children happened to me. The house was alive, the walls were moving, and there was a giant cat. Tell her about the giant cat.
Larry, y'all are terrible, and my mom came to there and say, this is how I come and I say ourselves a win-win scenario.
Joan, you know what kind of kid your boy is. Who would you believe?
Right. I do know what kind of kid Conrad is. He can be irresponsible.
Yes.
He makes bad decisions. Sometimes he makes me want to tear my hair out.
Yes.
But he's a good kid, and I believe him. Now I would like you to leave.
But Joan. Joe? Leave me, Joe. Joe.
Yeah!
Oh, that's nice.
Whoa! Almost got me again.
Mr. Humberflu.
Ah, Joan, this party's a hit. And this house looks immaculate. Congratulations.
Miss Walden. Hi, Mom.
Honey, your cupcakes are a hit. What did you put in them?
Mom, you can make cupcakes out of anything.
Anything?
Are you telling me you can make cupcakes out of anything?
Anything.
So what did you kids do today? Huh?
Well, what would you do if your mother asked you? The family was whole, all thanks to the cat, who was dashing and charming, no doubt about that. He was witty and cultured, and well, very endearing, and tremendously attractive, but in a sort of real way, you know? Kind of an approachable way that I think you don't see these days.
Oh, hello. I really should be going. I'll think it's so smart. Oh yeah. Let's go, things. Come on. What's on my schedule for tomorrow? What do you say we go on vacation? How about Hawaii? I like Hawaii. I should warn you, there are certain things that certain places don't allow. Ugh, things are complicated.
Heidi as Amy, Josh as Mr. Humberflu, Haley as Mrs. Kwan, Harry as the Sweater Cat, Larry, and Jim McFlanagan, Ayana as Joe, Christian as the fish, Camille as the receptionist in Thing 1, Lily as Thing 2, Lucas as Conrad, Eiley as Sally, and Kylie as the Cat in the Hat. Bob Mafiak was the narrator, and the director was Mrs. Skees, and the assistant director was Mrs. Mafiak. Everyone go ahead, grab hands, and take a bow.